my name is Nero and today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Bugatti Chiron that my parents kindly bought me for Christmas. I have wanted one of these for a few years now, and in 2019 my parents finally bought me one, and yeah, we're going to be unboxing it. So without further ado, let's get unboxing this thing. Whoa, look at this packaging. It's almost as good as the car. I like how they've done like the boxes and the instructions the same shape as the car, and then these wheels are just immaculate. And as you can see down here, you've got the brake rotors, and then this must be the beautiful instruction manual, or one of them, and this is just what it looks like inside here. And then at the front you have some pictures of the car and the designer of the car. These are some of the boxes. So this is box number 4, this is box number 1, this is box number 3, this is box number 5, and box number 2. And then here are the stickers that you put on the car when you're building it, and then the second instruction manual with just more instructions in it. And in the final box we have the beautiful wheels with the brake discs inside, or as our American friends would say, the brake rotors. And this is what the wheel looks like, and that's the inside there. If you open this box very carefully, you can see one of the tyres which the wheel will fit into, like that. And there is also more pieces inside, just like the other boxes over here. So this is the front, and oh wow, I've just noticed that inside you have past and present Bugattis from over the years, like the Chiron, the Veyron, the Atlantic. Of the box, this is what it looks like. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Lego Bugatti Chiron. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like and comment down below. It's as easy as that.
And action!
The Lego Technic Bugatti Chiron. This set is yeah, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Lego Technic Bugatti. Let's lift this up and see what is inside. If I can lift it up. This is box number. Where is it? I don't know. Wait. Classic iconic Bugattis over the centuries. Classic iconic Bugattis from over the centuries with the brake. What's it called? Alright then. And wait, are you filming?
Yeah.
Is it filming? Oh, and in the final brake disc inside, or as our American friends would say, the brake rims. What? Is it filming? Oh! Is it filming? Oh! And in the final, and then you put them on the car, and then yeah, I'm pretty sure you know how it works. And yeah. Oh! And here we have some of the classic motors from the past and the present. Wait, some of the